Governor Josh Shapiro has said he's not going to authorize any future executions in Pennsylvania as long as he's in office. He's also asked lawmakers to pass a law that would get rid of capital punishment altogether here in the Commonwealth, and the newly proposed legislation would do just that. State Representative Russ Diamond, a Republican from Lebanon County, says the state should not be deciding who lives or dies. His legislation would remove capital punishment from being a possible punishment for first-degree murder. Under the proposal, life in prison would be the alternative penalty. Diamond says in addition to his moral objections, the death penalty can be costly because of lengthy appeal processes that can re-traumatize families who must endure watching that process play out. He's also concerned about wrongful convictions.
One mistake in a death penalty case means death if that person is executed, and that's an innocent person. We can't afford to do that. Morally, I have a problem with that.
The last time the Commonwealth executed someone was in 1999. Governor Wolf, while in office, began a moratorium on the death penalty that, as we mentioned, has continued under Governor Josh Shapiro. Lawmakers have also proposed repealing the death penalty before. During the last General Assembly, a bill was approved by committee with bipartisan support, though it did not get to the floor for a vote. A number of law enforcement support agencies have said that they don't believe the death penalty should be repealed. They have said that these penalties potentially could deter people from killing someone, including law enforcement. Attorney General Dave Sunday has also said on WGAL during a debate that he would pursue the death penalty where appropriate, but his office declined today to comment on Diamond's legislation. In Harrisburg, Tom Lehman, WGAL News 8.